Hello and welcome to Zimbabweans Media. In other stories, a Zimbabwean controversial businessman Wicknel Chivayo recorded a video showing that he visited his rural home using two helicopters, one carrying him and the other carrying his security team. In the video, he also showed some of the buildings, vehicles and other assets at his rural home. However, people couldn't miss the ill state of the home. Some indicated that it does not show that it belongs to one of the most wealthy people in Zimbabwe.
One security, one year do and this was where Amen, 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 amen.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.